Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video, and I'm ecstatic to let you know that the first batch of Twisted Mentalism has landed finally. I've got the vinyl here, looking lovely. I can't wait to start shipping this and get it underway, man. It's been a long time coming getting this Twisted Mentalism repressed, get it out. We've had a lot of hiccups, a lot of issues along the way, but I'm so glad now to tell you guys, you know, that it's all good when we're ready to go. So for those of you who haven't grabbed a copy yet, I'll put a link in the description down below if you want to grab a copy before we ship, because once these are gone, they're gone, mate. That's it. I'm not pressing up any more of these. It's just going to be a little limited run. The Kickstarter crew are going to be getting their stuff as well, and their limited edition t-shirts as well to go along with that. So, you know, guys, I just can't thank you enough for all your patience and your pledges, etc. Yeah, and also sorry about the amen therapy as well, because I wasn't able to do that. It's just been a mad week, and I've been looking to sort these out. As I said, like, doing the amen therapy every week has been quite hard to keep up alongside everything else I'm doing, and a few things around the show has actually sort of suffered, because weekend is the only passion time that I have. And obviously amen therapy has been a passion, but there's also the music production, and there's, you know, running the label, and, you know, the sampleoids, and, you know, my creativity time basically has been kind of stumped a little bit. So I'm thinking about doing that bi-weekly now, and you know, or just for now, just I had to put it aside just so that I can crack on with concentrating on a few bits and pieces outside of the amen therapy show. So guys, big up. I just want to say big up. You know, love to see your comments, love to hear what you think down below. You know, going bi-weekly, I think it'll be better because it's something for us to look forward to, and maybe even, you know, once a month, but you know, give me a bit more time to do more tutorials, because I've got videos to make and stuff like that, and where I'm doing my daytime job, you know, obviously to keep everything moving, pay the bills, etc. It's just not allowing me enough time to be creative in the music, man, which is where my heart is at, you know, as well as I love printing and everything, don't get me wrong, but, you know, junglist, you know what I mean, junglist, you know what I mean, I love my jungle, I love my music production, you know, simple as that, man. So that's where my heart's at, man, and that's what I really want to have time to do that, always have time to do that. So weekends inside my man cave, I wouldn't really call it a man cave, but, you know, it's just a place where I go to meditate in my creativity life. Anyway, people, yeah, that's it. That's all I wanted to say. Big up. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Take care. God bless. Peace.
I'm a everyday junglist.